inside be yourself. So what is beauty? Beauty is something that makes a person, place, or thing look or feel nice. It can be seen in how someone looks, in nature, in art, or in a person's actions and character. Beauty refers to the qualities, attributes, or characteristics of an object, person, or experience that are aesthetically pleasing, visually appealing, or evoke a sense of admiration and pleasure. So beauty is a combination of qualities that make something visually and emotionally pleasing. It can be found in people, objects, or experiences. Iba-iba man ang definition ng bawat isa, sobrang laki naman ang impact ng beauty sa kung paano natin na-enjoy ito. Beauty can inspire admiration, evoke emotion, and bring joy. Without it, life might feel dull or uninspiring, as beauty helps us find value in people and environment around us. Ultimately, it shapes how we perceive and conduct with the world, making it an essential part of human experiences. Maybe beauty has the power to evolve through beautiful stimuli, whether in nature, art, or everyday surroundings, can enhance mood, reduce stress, and contribute to overall well-being. Beauty has the power to uplift our emotions and bring a sense of joy and wonder. Whether it's the beauty of nature, a stunning piece of art, or even simple everyday moments, being surrounded by beauty, things can improve our mood and make us feel more positive. Nakakatulong din ito na mabawasan ang stress at magbigay ng calming effect na importante para sa ating overall well-being. In many ways, beauty isn't just something you see. It's something you feel, and it plays an important role in leading a balanced and fulfilled life. Beauty has the power to build confidence and bring happiness. It's not just about how you look or how you think, act, and treat others. When you learn to accept and love yourself, you see life in a more positive way. It can also help reduce stress and give you peace of mind. True beauty comes from within, and it helps you live a more balanced and happy life.
Beauty has the power to uplift, inspire, and bring us closer to others. In line with this, there are people from different fields like philosophical, psychological, sociological, and anthropological have tried to explain kung paano or kung ano ang kagandahan at kung paano natin ito dapat napahalagahan. Tinutukoy din nila if how beauty can affect ourselves or our personality. Moreover, cultural and societal significance, beauty standards and ideals vary across cultures and societies, shaping perceptions of attractiveness and influencing social norms. So, may iba't ibang pamantayan ang kagandahan sa bawat kultura at lipunan. Meaning, what we consider beautiful in one place may not be the same in others. These standards influence how we see ourselves, kung paano tayo nakikisalamuha sa iba, at kung paano tayo tinatrato ng lipunan batay sa ating itsura. In short, beauty has a big impact on our identity and our relationship in society. That's all. Thank you.
That camera. What are you working on now?
Just some photos around school. I don't know, sir. I feel like we are all team perfect.
Perfect? Why?
Look at this one. The lighting's all wrong, and the background messy. It's not what I wanted.
I don't know. I think it looks kind of cool.
Really? It's blurry, and the colors are off. I'm just gonna delete
Wait. Don't delete it. Let's look at it together. You see how the light enters through the trees there? It's like the picture is alive. You know, it's perfect, but that's what makes it special.
I don't get it. It's just a mess of colors and shadows.
Exactly. It's beautiful. Beautiful because it's not perfect. Things are too perfect. They feel fake. You know,
I've always been so confused with getting everything just right. Whether it's my photos, my schoolwork, or even myself.
I get it, Jessica. But sometimes we give ourselves a break from perfection. No, and perfection is overrated. The world is not perfect, and neither are we.
Yeah, I guess I've been trying too hard.
Everyone does it. Think you got something really cool in the photos. You just need to see it. Don't try everything to look perfect. Let it be real.
Maybe you're right. It does have something unique about it. It's not perfect, but it feels alive.
I think we're already doing that, Jessica. The world doesn't need more perfect pictures or perfect effort. It needs real moments, just like this one.
I think I'm going to keep this video.
Yeah, that's and who knows, maybe your next time you'll have just something even more amazing.
Or maybe it will be another one.
That's the beauty of it. Go with it and just let it flow.
Okay, thanks Success for reminding me.
Anytime. So let's go. Let's go to the room and take other pictures.
Beauty lies not in perfection, but embracing what's real, raw, and unique.